security check. So let's view our campus. This is Mr. Shreyans, my roommate. Hi. And we have recently visited to Amarkantak. The place nearby, it's I think 50 to 20 kilometer. From the gate, the main department or the main building is like 1 to 1.5 kilometer from here. So one thing is that when you come from Pendra, if auto driver asks you this is the gate, you can आप यहाँ उतर सकते हो, then please don't do that, because the main building entrances, all departments are about 1 to 2 kilometer inside from the gate. So auto drivers at first time they just tell to the newcomers, they tell such things and lie. This is our ID.
Charge extra for
Yes, they can charge extra 10 rupees for that, but you can come. It's worth it. Yeah. This is Panchami guest house. This is transit. This is professor's quarter. This side, this is model. Model Kendriya Vidyalaya. This is the Prasant Store market, because there are very less number of shops. So there are 2 shops. And this is Model Tribal School. This is known as Tilka Manchi Chowk. ऐसे सीधे चलो. This is the administrative building, the university. When our national flag fly high, it gives us goosebumps. And that stood KB, Kendriya Vidyalaya, and that was OBC hostel, that is Model Travel School. So this is the administrative building. There is a festival, Onam celebration is going on here. So all have dressed up in the traditional attire and they are celebrating Onam. Kori bhaiya namaste. Narmade hai. Chance thoda. Okay. So they are all present campus. That is Hanumanji Mandir. When we go?
at a Ganesh festival.
In fests we go, and also
in
exam time we go. And this is our faculty of science. That is, and that side there is department of botany, faculty of science, department of botany, zoology, physics, chemistry, statistics, math, all these are. And this is the B-Walk building. You came from here, and let's go there. This is the B-Walk and mass media education. ऐसे से चलते हैं. There is a conference hall here which is called as the JMC, व्यावसायिक शिक्षा विभाग, Department of Vocational Education. Locked here.
So our modern
No, that's Chanakya Bhavan. Yes.
this one.
And when you and nearby it, this is Chanakya Bhavan, commerce, faculty of commerce and management. The MBA is here, psychology is here, sociology is here, faculty of tribal studies is also here. And when we move nearby to it, it is known as the pharmacy department of that is Dhanvantri Bhavan, that is yoga, and that is pharmacy building. So the building is looking really good here. Faculty of Computronics, Travel Studies, Social Science and Management. This is Department of Yoga, Faculty of Yoga. सामने से ऐसे हाँ, पतंजलि भवन, Faculty of Yoga. Yoga and yoga and ऐसे चल बीएड डिपार्टमेंट दिखा देंगे. आगे भी है, देख के and see that is the pharmacy department and it is known as the Dhanvantari Bhavan. This is Patanjali Bhavan and this is Dhanvantari Bhavan, Faculty of Pharmacy. Professors are and when we move forward, we'll go towards this side. So what is there? And that one is a Faculty of Education, B.Ed. Bachelor of Education. They are the, in my personal opinion, most in a way department which do more classes, internships, and when you see the Faculty of Education, you can also find some, that the country is in good hands. Center of Education here. अरे ऐसे चल रहा, चलो ठीक है. आगे अरे पानी में So this is the Faculty of Education. This building. Yeah, this is इस साइड नहीं, उस साइड चला.
कोई फायदा नहीं है इस साइड चलाने में. ये लेन में दिख देगा, कंप्यूटर दिख देगा. बेटा यार मुझे मत था.
हाँ आगे बनता है, आगे. And let's move towards our VC sir house. So our hostel is about 1.5 to 2 kilometer from this B.Ed department. So
I think our Prime Minister doesn't live like our VC. The house of VC is like a royal.
and these are the fields, agriculture, under the Department of Agriculture. Mishrit.
It reminds me of Victoria Memorial.
Yeah. Shall we show our, botanical garden?
Yeah.
If the security allows.
No. I think the time is over for the.
So this is our botanical garden, which is proudly managed under the Department of Botany. Dr. Ravindra Shukla sir, who is an expert taxonomist. He single-handedly, professor, herbal garden. And here comes our Proctor House and Vice Chancellor sir home. So this is the entry point of the garden, and there are many medicinal plants right there.
Also some kind of spices like elaichi and other things, cardamom and
Cardamom.
all things.
This is our Kulpati Ji Mahoday Vice Chancellor residence.
Like
VC Banglao. Abhi. This is Gupt Narmada Dhyan Mark. And there are some really big towers there. So that are all the professors are houses, accommodation. This is also a house. This is Registrar, Finance Officer, COE and Librarian Sir, Banglao. Wow, great.
Forgot assistant professor. You have library assistant.
That is type C, I think. Bro, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. So, that is type
It's
C.
only for HODs and deans.
हाँ ऐसे 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 चल के ऐसे जाएंगे
मारेगा वो खबर ना.
HOD Dean
I am fearing that our profession
if our professor sees us
we are gone.
yes. And here comes
And
our
dear
department here comes our professor sir house, Dr. Ravindra Shukla sir, Dr. Shubhanarayan Das sir, and this is the Sabri Park. I
मैं
think
जा रहा हूँ यार देखने.
hey Avni, hi Arohi, hi Avni, and she is our Shukla sir daughter. She knows us. Mata Shabri. This is the Sabri Park playground for kids, and that is the professor sir's house. This is another house of sir and madam. Family quarters.
I think here is a flat of our beloved teacher, Mr. Nayan Sahu.
Dr. Nayan Sahu Sahib.
My favorite teacher. One time they call us. That is another type of fun, you know, when you are a student and
Yeah.
your teacher is calling for something which you don't like. That is another type of fun.
This is a new hostel.
Hostels for girls.
Making for girls. This is girls' hostel. This is a mega mess for girls. This is a mess for girls. And the next hostel which will come, it is the RDGS, Rani Durgavati Girls Hostel. जहाँ से ऐसे जाके स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स दिखाएंगे. And that one is GGPS. That one. It's
That Pakistan area, you know.
Pakistan area. Yeah. We are like in the corner of university. So this is the RDGS.
We are like real tribals.
Like yeah, boys are like real tribals. Rani. And that one is a sports complex. In front of that there is research hostel, soul hostel. In front of that there are another staff quarter or some there, and this is the Department of Agriculture. And this guides us about agriculture to this side. Light. Video ko chudar. And today was Onam, and this is the Dr. Ambedkar Park. So
Also the couple park.
couple parks. Okay. Take left and let's go by the Shastri Ji. So students came here for recreation and fun. क्या हुआ?
ये कहाँ से बंद होता है? हाँ.
दादा प्रोग्राम चल रहा है नहीं? खत्म. कहाँ जा रहे हैं? अरे इस तरफ चलना.
हाँ, इधर जाना था. पहले बोलता ना मुझसे.
हाँ एग्रीकल्चर साइंस.
ये पहले मुझे ये बता कि ये लाइट कहाँ से बंद होगी.
लाइट नहीं बंद होती यहाँ का, और ऐसा ही सिस्टम है. नहीं होगा ऑटोमेटिक. चल जल्दी चल. खत्म हो चुका है. ऐसे घूम के आ जाएंगे. जय जगन्नाथ. आज ही नहीं बुल्लू चल. So this is the park here.
लाइट सबसे जल्दी.
And let's go. पेट्रोल है.
हाँ यार हॉट है.
खत्म हो गया. रुक रहा हूँ.
I think the fest is over.
The fest today was a Kerala Onam fest. Onam Shamshakar. When we go to this route also go to VC sir house. And this known is Vivek Path. Is that our
Yes.
no?
Yes.
That's no, not that's
See, the free waterfall.
the Brook Narmada.
Narmada admin. Where should I go?
ऐसे वो लाइब्रेरी तक के